Good morning. This is the recording for Tuesday, June 24th. Today's Zen story is titled The Man Who Owned the Moon. The richest man in the province stood at the edge of his garden, gazing into his pond. The full moon shimmered upon the surface, trembling with every ripple. He had spent a lifetime accumulating wealth: golden statues, silk tapestries, ivory carvings, but no possession enchanted him like this. "I must own it," he whispered. The next morning, he summoned his servants. "Find a way to capture the moon in my pond," he commanded. "I will reward the one who succeeds." His most trusted builder erected tall stone walls around the pond, shielding it from the wind so the moon's reflection would remain undisturbed. But the walls darkened the water, and the moon vanished. A scholar suggested draining the pond and sealing the reflection in a great mirror. But once the water was gone, the moon was gone too. A fisherman, desperate for reward, cast a great net upon the pond. He pulled it in, only to find it empty, dripping silver in the moon. The rich man grew furious. "Useless, all of you. The moon is there every night, yet none of you can grasp it." An old monk passing through the village overheard the commotion. He stepped forward, gazing into the pond. "You wish to own the moon?" he asked. The rich man scoffed. "Can you do better than these fools?" The monk knelt at the edge of the pond, cupped his hands, and gently lifted a pool of water. The moon's reflection shimmered in his palms. "Here," he said, holding it out. "Take it." The rich man reached out eagerly, but as soon as he touched the water, it slipped through his fingers. The ripples scattered the moonlight. He stared at his empty hands. The monk simply turned and walked away, leaving the rich man staring into the pond, his own reflection rippling alongside the moon's. For a long time, the man stood motionless, watching as the moon danced freely over the water. That night, he lay awake, unable to stop thinking about what had slipped through his grasp. The next evening, he returned to the pond, but this time, he did not try to capture the moon. He simply watched. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently, and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Moment to reflect. How does the act of grasping change what we seek? How does the act of grasping change what we seek? And now let's take a moment to experiment. Open your hand and then slowly close it. Feel the difference between holding and letting go. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also, I encourage you to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.